The pond's doing okay. I think I got a leak, but I've said
right. So now I've got to fix it. I've bought a pond liner, and I've managed to get hold of a bit of old lino from somewhere. I've put that in first. That's just to level the bottom out, and it saves putting sand in. And I've put in the underlay of the pond liner, and there's the pond liner now. I've just rolled it out roughly. Right, so now then I've got to tuck that in and get it all ready to go. And there is a seat in the thing, so I've got a shallow bit. And that's what I'm doing. So, and then I've filled it with a little bit of water just to stretch it out, and I'm going to leave it like that now for a couple of days.
yeah, not quite finished, but almost finished. It's been a couple of days now since I completed as far as I've got, so this has been stood now for a couple of days. As you can see, the water's quite clear. We don't really want it that clear. I have got a bin of the pond water there, and that will get added eventually to this when I am sure, because that's tap water, so there'll be chlorine in it. I suppose it's been left a couple of days, but my advice is it needs to be left for probably a week or even more, to be sure that the chlorine has gone. I did see a frog in there this morning, so obviously they think it's okay. So basically what I've done is this. You can just see a few bricks there, look. Let me get and show you. These few bricks here, they go right through, and so this lining goes down and up and round, and then it's held by these pebbles. So there should be water laid up in there, which will encourage these flags to grow. And that's basically it, really. And then, of course, on the other side, I've put a piece of wood through. That's just to hold the liner in place for the moment, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do with that little bit of bank. At the moment, there's pebbles there on top of paving slabs. There is a piece of wire there as well, so I might try and grow something there. I'm not sure. The cat, that's to keep the birds off my grapevine. It seems to be working. So there we go, one pond made with a dinghy, an old dinghy, fiberglass dinghy that is. Oh, and I've got a bit of grass growing there, water grass. I'm not sure quite what it is, but there we go. And I've also got a pot. Hold on, let's go closer. There, I've also planted a pot of weed. There is weed in there, just tossed in, but I've planted that actually in a pot, so that it can get its roots down. So anyway, there we go. That's what I've done. Those bits of brick, those bits of slab across the corners there, that's to give just a little bit of shade, in case something wants to hide under there. I don't know what. Perhaps it'd be frogs, newts maybe. There aren't any fish in here now. There was some very small carp. When I say small, they were only about an inch long. They've been transported to my pond at home. So there we go, one pond on the allotment. Hope it works. Bye for now.